already time. This already flour with powder milk, pure powder milk, mixing it, and 2 eggs and chicken pellet. So first is you need to mixing the pure powder milk and the flour gently, then that's it, and then mix oil, also the egg, also mix the hair, rolling hair. So this is already this one, then over here. So put 5 minutes or few minutes on the refrigerator to very nice and good to cook. So first is put already on the ref with 5 minutes before we cook our rolling with egg chicken pellets HK here. So balikan natin or get that within 5 minutes. So now start to get our chicken rolling pellets on the ref because it's already 5 minutes now. Then we go in here and our ready pan and the hot oil, and then so ayan na guys, so very hot na our cooking oil on the pan, so very already ready na. So we get put it on here. Tayin lang natin na mag-brownish ang ating rolling chicken pellets with egg. And HK happy. Good morning mga ka-friends over there. So I hope you have more learn and added to your learning about how cooking about the chicken fillet with rolling egg. Kailangan lang natin hindi masyado super hot ang ating number sa ating heat para gandahan siyang ma-brownish. After finish, it's like crispy. Yan. That guys, it's look yummy. Lang para hindi siya biglang so not too much super hot our heat. So lagyan natin ng 5 para dahan-dahan siyang where all is already good to cook. If you put too much the heat, it's not good to cook. So maybe the inside is not good to very like maayos ang pagkaluto pag itang lakas ang apoy. Here we go. It's already time to eating. It's ready our marinated chicken fillet rolling on egg. So let's eat guys. So let's eat mga ka-brainies. This is already finished marinated chicken pellets with rolling egg and HB. This is red rice. So let's eat. So, guys. First is the prayer. Thank you. Bye guys. Let's eat. It's yummy. Hindi masyadong oops. Bigat. Yummy. It's like a crispy and it is very good because it is already marinated. You can feel it. It's yummy.
Oops. Sorry guys. Kafrieny.
So that's it guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Happy Ichi Vlog, and bye bye. Stay safe and God bless everybody.